Hey there, future scientists. Have you ever wondered how things work? Like how your wind-up toy zooms across the floor or how your flashlight lights up a dark room? It's all thanks to something truly amazing. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work, to make things happen. And guess what? Energy can transform like a superhero changing their outfit. Think about a battery-powered fan. The battery stores chemical energy. When you turn the fan on, that chemical energy transforms into electrical energy, which then powers the motor, making the fan blades spin. That spinning motion is kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Pretty cool, right? Energy transformations are happening all around us, all the time. From the sun warming the earth to you riding your bike, energy is constantly changing forms, making our world a dynamic and exciting place to be. Energy gets around, making all sorts of things possible. Where does all this amazing energy come from? Well, it comes from different sources, some of which are renewable and some of which are not. Renewable energy sources like the sun and wind are naturally replenished over a short period. They're like the Earth's never-ending energy supply. On the other hand, non-renewable energy sources like coal and oil are finite resources. They formed over millions of years from ancient plant and animal matter, and once we use them up, they're gone for good. It's like using up all the toothpaste in the tube. Once it's gone, it's gone. Section 4. Harnessing Nature's Power, Renewable Energy Explained. Let's dive into the world of renewable energy and explore some of the amazing ways we can harness nature's power. Solar energy comes directly from the sun, and we can capture it using solar panels to generate electricity. Wind energy uses the power of wind to turn giant turbines, also generating electricity. Hydro energy relies on the flow of water, like in rivers and dams, to generate electricity. Geothermal energy taps into the heat deep inside the earth, and biomass energy utilizes organic matter like wood and crops as fuel. Pretty neat, huh? Section 5. Non-renewable energy, the finite resources. Now let's talk about non-renewable energy sources. These sources like coal, oil, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they formed from ancient fossilized organisms. We extract these fuels from the earth and burn them to release their stored energy. Nuclear energy is another type of non-renewable energy that comes from uranium, a radioactive element. While nuclear power plants don't produce greenhouse gases like fossil fuels do, they generate radioactive waste that needs to be carefully managed. Section 6. Our role in energy conservation. Be an energy-saving superhero. While we have different energy sources, it's super important to remember that conserving energy is crucial for our planet. Using less energy reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, which helps protect our environment and combat climate change. So how can you be an energy-saving superhero? It's easier than you think. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when you're not using them, and try walking or biking instead of driving whenever possible. Every little bit counts when it comes to energy conservation. By making smart choices and being mindful of our energy consumption, we can all contribute to a brighter, more sustainable future. Remember, the power to make a difference is in your hands.